The best ways to make money with Facebook ads 2022 updated. Have you ever attempted to make money through Facebook ads? If you have, you may be stumped as to where to begin. There are numerous options and methods to accomplish this, but it is not a difficult task, especially if you lack the necessary information. But don't worry, we're here to help you. So hey viewers, welcome back to Unlimited Money. Today, we are back with an amazing topic that can help you boost your income source. Our video on how to make money with Facebook ads will assist you in determining what works best for you and what does not. Are you guys excited? So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. And before that, make sure you hit that bell icon and subscribe to the channel to get every single update about the channel. As we all know, Facebook is one of the most active social media networks on the internet today, with over 1 billion users. This could be a sizable market for your goods and services, but the question that arises is, how can we use Facebook advertising to become a consistent source of easy money for you? So, let's figure out how to make more money with Facebook ads. If you're familiar with search engine optimization, or SEO, you're probably aware that optimizing a website to rank high in search results can be extremely profitable. Many marketers are unaware that making money on social media is just as feasible. To do so, however, we must first understand how to properly advertise on Facebook. The first step in making money with Facebook ads is to select a targeting strategy. A custom audience is recommended. Consider who you want to reach or who your ideal customer is when deciding which audience to follow. Only use Facebook ads to target them. Now is the time to choose which products or services to promote. There are various categories to target the ad, so you'll have a lot of options here. For example, if you have a skincare product, you could target advertising to women over 30 who live in large metropolitan areas to sell it. If your company sells an offline product, such as men's clothing, you can make a good living by showing your ad to young people age 18 to 35. But first, you should know that Facebook has the most ad-friendly platform in the world. If you're not particularly creative when it comes to marketing and advertising, Facebook ads might be your best bet. With 1.1 billion monthly active users, you can imagine how good your chances of reaching your target audience are. You simply need to be more selective in the assistance you provide to others. On Facebook, you can use a variety of strategies to reach your target audience. Facebook ads are in demand while also being inexpensive. What you must consider is your target audience as well as your company's objectives. There are numerous features that can assist you in growing your business and making money on a consistent basis. However, one of the most popular Facebook platforms that have received a lot of attention in recent years is the Facebook ads platform. First and foremost, have you ever wondered what Facebook advertisements are and why you should use them? Perhaps you don't know where to begin and want to learn more. So now, we'll look at the Facebook ad platform and give you specific advice on how to make money with ads. Facebook ads is a platform where you can make money by using various tools. The platforms and tools you use to make money on Facebook are entirely up to you. So, first tell us about the tool that'll be most useful to you. To make money with Facebook ads, you can use the tools that I'm going to tell you further about in this video. Campaign. Keywords, target audience, and budget are all important campaign settings for Facebook campaigns. It can assist you in reaching your target audience and convincing them to click on your ads. Many people avoid Facebook ads because they do not understand how to use them properly. That is why they prefer to use free platforms rather than invest money in them. But let me emphasize that a good Facebook ad campaign is very simple to use. Tools. To improve the effectiveness of your Facebook campaign, Facebook provides you with a variety of tools for communicating with your target audience. This platform's main advantage is that it has the lowest cost in the digital marketing space. Custom Audience Tool, Facebook Pixel Tool, Messaging Tools, and Insights Tool are some of the tools you can use to create various campaigns that will attract a large number of users. You're probably wondering how we make money with Facebook ads. What is the procedure? Well, go ahead and follow our step-by-step guide to running your first Facebook ad. Use one of the 5 ideas that I'll share with you for making money with Facebook ads to become a millionaire by 2022. Use Facebook ads to sell your product. Having a product to sell is an excellent way to earn money through Facebook ads. You may have several options for selling your product, depending on its nature. You must advertise if you want to do anything online. People are exposed to thousands of advertisements every day, making it impossible to stand out without advertising. Inform them about your products that are relevant to their needs. They will pay money for your product if they are convinced and interested in it. This is how Facebook ads generate revenue. Now I'll tell you 4 more ways to make money on Facebook. Use Facebook ads to increase traffic to your blog. The most common way to earn money from Facebook ads is through blogging. Some people make a living solely by driving traffic to their blogs. Because you only pay when people click on your ad, this can be a great way to make money on Facebook. By targeting the right audience, you can drive millions of visitors to your blog. But you'll need a website for that. In order to attract a large number of visitors, you must also post as frequently as possible, at least once or twice per day. However, if you're not sure which audience you're looking for, Facebook ads can be a great way to find potential clients. You can also earn millions using Google AdSense. Use Facebook ads to promote your local business and earn more. There is no better way to promote a local business than through social media. According to a study conducted by the advertising network Social Bakers, 78% of users use social media to research products and services. If your company operates in a specific city or region, you can promote it via Facebook advertising. The best thing about using social media is that it is relatively inexpensive in comparison to other forms of advertising. You can easily create an account and advertise if you own a small business. The offering is one of the most effective ways to accomplish this. A $1 discount on your product or service will entice people to visit your store and see what you have to offer, converting them into potential customers. Amazon Associate. The Amazon Associate program is a type of affiliate program that allows you to earn money by linking to Amazon products on your website or through affiliate marketers. You don't need a large site or a lot of traffic because Facebook ads can reach millions of people at a very low cost. You will have to pay a small percentage of any sales generated through these links, so this is a low-cost balancing act. There is no upper limit to how much money you can make, and this is one of the most popular methods of making money with Facebook ads. Social media marketing firm. If you've mastered Facebook ads, you can launch your own digital marketing firm, where you can make millions of dollars by advertising other people's projects and social media channels. There are numerous services available to assist you in doing so. It might be profitable. You are compensating for posting advertisements for other people's products and services from the comfort of your own home. You can focus on specific markets. What you have to offer may vary depending on where you live. As a social media marketing agency, you are in charge of assisting other people's businesses, productions, or websites. Your job is to create promotions that will entice people to visit the company's website, social media page, or new product. You are compensated for promoting the products on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other social media platforms. You can also provide services to businesses and individuals who require a marketing agency. You can offer your services as a Facebook ads expert if you specialize in B2B or B2C advertising. You can make an unlimited amount of money with Facebook ads, which are the most popular. So, I think we're at the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button, and press the bell icon too, so you'll never miss any update. And if you have any questions or queries on your mind, let me know in the comment box, and also check out our channel where you'll find more really cool stuff.